Hello, my friends. Have you ever dreamed about being the center of attention and the life of the party? Then you are in luck, because what I'm gonna show you now is completely about to change your life. This drink is very good if you are tired and also have stomach problems. The first thing you need is a glass, because a glass is very good for containing stuff in. And then the first thing you do is you put some ice into the glass, because then the drink will get cold. Now you're gonna put some Fernet Branca into the glass, and I'll put around like maybe around here. That's good. The next thing you're gonna use is some Club Mate, and then you top it off like this. The final thing you're gonna need is some Trio, and I'm gonna use 2 Trio, because that's the great amount of the way you do it. It's very important that you don't use 3 Trio, because then you're gonna look like Pernille Højmark. And that's it. Now the drink is complete. You're just gonna wait for the Trio to extinguish into the drink, and then you have a very good drink that you can enjoy with your friends and your family. And remember to drink responsibly.